Hey guys, I only missed a day and it seems that the markets are going crazy. All-time highs for many altcoins, and they stagnate but remain at highs, and then other altcoins go to highs. What does this mean is pretty much that all this money coming in is not coming out, and more money coming in. We nearly actually reached 1.5 trillion in market cap. Now, at some point, we could see a lot of that coming out very, very, very soon, if I may add, or if I should add, let's say. So today, one of those altcoins that I wanted to look into, one that I'm actually invested as well, is Algo, because since the beginning of February, I would say, yeah, we've seen it actually tripling in size. The price, yeah, tripled, nearly reached $2 today. Now, this of course is the 4-hour chart, so as you well know, it's not really helping much. I'm gonna go on the algorithmic to have a better view. And perhaps might be a good idea to go all the way back to check really what's happening here. 12 hours? Yeah, 12 hours will work. I can clearly see already a very nice channel here forming. Yeah. Let's do this down here, up here. Oh, and we broke outside that level. This is very interesting. Is it going to be a false break, or will remain above 146? Because that is going to determine short-term and medium-term trajectory of the particular coin. Now, we need to start measuring our degrees and our waves. So I will go, since we're on the 12-hour, I will start with intermediate over here. And this looks like we've got an ABC, a 3, a 4, and a 5. This is wave 1, but as I said, this is in the intermediate degree. And also the correction down here is intermediate degree. Running flat and intermediate, there we go. So just to explain a little bit, we've got a leading diagonal here. Yeah. This is a running flat in wave 2, and we'll get a sharp wave 4, which respects the Elliott wave role of alternation, which means this is primary 1, primary 2, and our, of course, as always, very extended, very impulsive wave is impulse wave 3. Now, over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it looks like we've got an A, B, and a C down here. Then we get another A, B, and a C that looks like some sort of flat. And over here, guys, it looks like we've got B, C, D, an open running a running triangle in wave Y, and I will explain why as well. First of all, if we speak structurally, we are correct, and we've got an overthrown in wave E, which is again expected. And then we move up. Here's the thing, guys. We've got wave 1 down here, right? So this cannot be a low. It cannot be a low because it interacts with the territory of wave 1. And this is not a correction on the upside. In my opinion, it's not corrective. Okay, so I remain with that particular scenario in mind. And note that when we've got, a triangle over here, W, X, and Y, we can have it in a combination in wave 2, not in wave 4. Plus, we ended the triangle above wave 1, which is very important, okay? So, to me, this is 1 and 2 and 3. Now, we've got to go all the way down, register the wave 1, and wave E over here, wave 2, and look at the 261 and also the 2. Oh, it's done already. Right, so here's what I'm looking from now on, right? Because we need to take into account what's happening in the smaller waves as well. This looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 over here. 1, 2. That looks like a 3, a 4, and a 5. But this, it's probably on the intermediate degree, yeah? Not probably, for sure. And truth is that this is another leading diagonal. Yeah, quite clear to say. Now, this has also another move inside here, 4 and 5. Yeah, 3, 4, and 5 in the minor degree. It looks like it. Now, we need to go a little bit further down on the 4 hours to see what's going on with the volumes. So volumes increasing, yeah, and we actually get that candle over here above our regression channel, yeah, near the 261 extension at 203, but we missed it, okay? So here's what I'm thinking here, to be honest, okay? And I'm thinking out 2 scenarios. One is that we might come a little bit, this is 3 and 4, and then we're going to get 5 to take out the 2618, which is at 2.03, which means this is 1, 2, 5 was done. This is 3, 4, which means this is A, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 over here. Yeah, it's very possible. And then what we really need to check now is the Fibonacci retracement over here. Yeah, the 23, the 38, the 50, the 61, the 78. But I doubt we're going to get there because we need a sharp wave 4. Okay, just down here perhaps to 150, 129.51, and then another wave up to take out wave 5 at 2.03. And then this is where we could see prices really start correcting, okay, in wave 4. And wave 4 could go, well, if we assume we're going to get a new high, yeah, we need to draw wave 2 and wave 5 if we come at 2, yeah. And then this sort of correction perhaps is going to get us down to 38.2, we would want to hope actually, maybe even the 23.6. So that this wave is going to be shallow for wave 4 again, yeah? And then another move on the upside for wave 5. The truth is that if we go on this correction down here in wave 2, from 1 to 2, yeah, you see that? We've done the 78.6, which means that if we got a very deep correction in wave 2, in wave 4, we're not going to get that deep of a correction, okay? We're probably going to end it around the 38.2, which is 136. Is also a cluster with the 161 extension of the primary waves 1 and 2. So 135.95, guys, is my level once we get at 2 to complete this primary wave 3. Now, of course, none of this constitutes investment advice, like it's educational analysis, and I'm doing this hopefully to support you in your trading decisions in such a risky and volatile market. So leave in your comments if you got anything, of course, to add. And if you like the video, of course, click the like button. I would appreciate it. And if you subscribe, that will even be more appreciation coming towards you because I'll be able to do more videos. Until then, trade safe and take care.